we got a new car. This is the first time I've actually had room to sit up front because I've been sitting in the back of the driver's seat because there's not quite enough room to sit in the passenger seat up front. But yeah, this is pretty roomy. It's nice. We can just toss the stroller in the back and we have room. It's not a new car, it's an old car, but it's roomy. Anyway, we are headed to a nice fancy schmancy hotel, hopefully. Might be a little bit dated. We didn't do that much research. We just got a free night and we thought we needed to use it up before it expires. So we are going to the Intercontinental Wellington.
Yep.
We've been to a few Intercontinentals. We've been to Hanoi and Fiji.
This one technically is a 5-star hotel, I think.
Yeah, but it's a little old as well.
But it is older, so we don't know.
Like the Intercontinental in Fiji was also older and a little bit dated. Anyway, we might go get some dim sum because it's Chinese New Year and they might have a lion dance thingamajiggy there as well. So on the left we have
Continue for 2 kilometers.
the ferry to the South Island, that general area. So we are at the Intercontinental Wellington and I think we got a new front desk person, so we don't know what sort of room we're getting. Time for a room tour! Right, so here's the entrance. Lights. Ooh, look at that shower. Look at the little glass window looking out to the room with blinds on the other side. That's interesting. We have a rain shower and a handheld shower. Hair dryer, towels, amenities, soap bar, magnifying mirror.
That's such an awkward blind there. It's like the person outside can be like, peek.
Don't do that. Look at their shampoo and a robe and slippers.
Ooh, we know what we're taking.
And what do they have in here? Ooh, another robe. Pillow.
Another robe and
Ironing board.
slippers. Nice.
Iron.
This is nice, but
What else? Tea. A tea kettle. A mini fridge. And Teddy. And they gave you a little crib. Oh my goodness. And here's the bed. Hey Brian, do a bed test. Test.
bed test.
Verdict?
This is soft. You
Okay.
sink in a little bit.
They have a skill here in the bathroom, and I weighed myself because I couldn't help it.
Yeah, I'm gonna use all of those, except maybe the decaffeinated ones. Those are mine. It's a good thing you don't like coffee. Good. You're gonna like coffee, right? You're gonna be like me. Whoa! Look at that. Here you go, bud. Yum. Look. Look at that. Is that pretty cool? Is that pretty cool?
That's the Wellington Museum right there. I forgot about the amenity drawer. Look at that. We have a comb, a nail file, what's that called? A hair. I'm not sure. It covers your hair so it doesn't get wet. A little sewing kit. And who knows what. And some cotton buds. Q-tips. What's that? It's a shaving kit. Look at that. They have outlets right here. The USB kind, the HDMI kind. Hi, bud. You're in a new place. I don't think we've been here before. We got what's this? Wontons, beef ribs, dim sums, and spicy.
Or spicy. Spicy. What? Spicy prawns.
So we have a lion show for Chinese New Year, and we're eating dim sum. And here's Eddie. We just had lunch. How was it?
It was good. It was very good.
We got calamari fried. We got a deep fried prawn wonton. We got a beef spare rib. We got a
Spinach.
vegetable choice an oyster sauce. And we got a spicy mushroom dumpling. And we got rice rolls. We got rice rolls. We came back from our little adventure, or like lunch, and look what they brought us. Oh, it says happy birthday. Oh, it's for me.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. We gotta take a little clip of this dessert before we dive in. I think that butterfly is an edible piece of chocolate. And we have some strawberries, macaron, and a coconut thingamajiggy, and whipped cream on a little muffin thingy, and what are those thingies called? Like they have little, I don't know, candy or marshmallow thingies
I don't know.
in a maybe chocolatey type one. I think it's a New Zealand thing. I just don't remember the name.
Is that right? Yeah. Now, one of these days, next year, this conversation is going to have real words. And it's still not going to make any sense. Are you trying to convince me that you don't need to go to bed right now? Yeah, I saw that nod. Is that right? Too bad. Your sleep sack is already on. It's almost 8. It's about your bedtime. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I don't care. Sorry, bud. It's bedtime. Almost. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Say hi to mom. And say, I'm hungry, and then I'm going to bed. Yeah.
So we just finished up our stay. Hotel's right back that way. We just came out to the harbor for a minute. We just got our stuff with the concierge.
Little Theo's right there.
I want to be moving again. Why we stop? I can't see anything interesting.
Such good.